Replacing windows is a significant investment that can transform the look, energy efficiency, and functionality of your home. Whether you're renovating an older property or upgrading to modern aesthetics, choosing the right style and design for your window replacement project in Fort Worth requires careful consideration. This guide will help you navigate the process to ensure your new windows not only enhance your home's appearance but also meet your specific needs. Why the right window style matters. Windows are more than just openings to the outdoors. They define your home's architectural character, provide natural light, and influence energy efficiency. Selecting the right window style ensures enhanced curb appeal. The design and style of your windows significantly impact how your home looks from the outside. Improved functionality. Certain window styles offer better ventilation, easier cleaning, or enhanced views. Increased property value. Stylish, high-quality windows can boost the market value of your home. Energy efficiency. Modern window designs incorporate energy-saving features like double glazing and UV protection. Factors to consider for your window replacement project. Home architecture. The style of your home dictates which window designs will look best. For example, traditional homes, double-hung windows or casement windows often complement classic architectural styles. Modern homes, sleek, minimalist windows, like sliding or picture windows, suit contemporary designs. Farmhouse or rustic styles, bay windows or awning windows blend well with these cozy and inviting aesthetics. Purpose of the window. Think about how you intend to use the window. Is it purely for light and ventilation, or will it serve as a focal point? Large windows like bow or bay windows can create dramatic visual effects, while smaller awning windows work well for privacy-focused spaces like bathrooms. Energy efficiency. Fort Worth experiences hot summers and chilly winters, so choosing energy-efficient windows is essential. Look for features like double or triple glazing, insulates against temperature fluctuations. Low E glass, reduces UV rays and helps maintain indoor temperatures. Argon gas fills, increases insulation without compromising visibility. Materials. Window frame materials impact durability, maintenance, and appearance. Options include vinyl, cost-effective, low maintenance, and energy efficient. Wood, offers a classic, timeless look but requires more upkeep. Aluminum, sleek and modern but less insulating than other materials. Fiberglass, durable and energy efficient, ideal for Fort Worth's climate. Popular window styles for Fort Worth homes. Here are some of the most popular window styles and their benefits. Double-hung windows. Features two operable sashes for maximum ventilation. Easy to clean and versatile, fitting both traditional and modern homes. Casement windows. Hinged on one side and open outward for unobstructed views. Excellent for capturing breezes and increasing airflow. Picture windows. Large, fixed windows that frame scenic outdoor views. Ideal for spaces where natural light is a priority. Bay and bow windows extend outward to create additional interior space. Add elegance and increase natural light in living rooms or dining areas. Sliding windows open horizontally along a track for easy operation. Great for modern homes with limited space. Customization options for your windows: color and finish. Choose a frame color and finish that complements your home's interior and exterior design. Grills. Add grills for a decorative touch that enhances traditional styles or creates a unique look for modern homes. Glass option. Consider tinted, frosted, or decorative glass for added privacy and style. Why work with Fort Worth window replacement experts? Selecting the right windows can be overwhelming, but working with experienced professionals ensures your project runs smoothly. Local experts understand Fort Worth's architectural trends and climate requirements, guiding you toward the perfect balance of style and performance. They also handle accurate measurements and precise installations to avoid costly mistakes. Conclusion: choosing the right style and design for your Fort Worth window replacement project is essential for enhancing your home's appearance, energy efficiency, and overall value. By considering your home's architecture, functionality needs, and personal preferences, you can find the perfect windows to meet your goals. Partnering with local professionals ensures a seamless process and lasting results, giving you windows that elevate both the look and comfort of your home. Start your window replacement journey today and experience the transformative power of the perfect design.